is all you'll need to make your basic pancake mix. Some eggs, some butter, some milk, some plain flour and a pinch of salt. The first thing we're going to do is sieve the flour into a bowl. We're going to sieve it so it gets some air into it. Into there with a pinch of salt, and then just make a little hole in the middle where we're going to put the egg. So in with the egg, and then either use a hand whisk, or if you're lazy like me, use electricity. When you've got it mixed, so it's something like that, then you're going to carry on with the whisk, but you're going to start introducing your milk bit by bit until it forms, not like water, but a watery batter. When your batter's something like that, so it's quite watery, time to get some butter melted into the pan you're going to use. Into a pan, gently melt down a good knob of butter. Then what you're going to do is just get a spoonful of that, and you're going to put that into your batter mix and give it a good whisk round. When your butter's heated up, it's time to go in with a ladle or a large spoon of your batter. Just give it a little swirl round your pan, and then cook it until the edges start to go brown, and then it'll be ready to flip. When the edges start to go a little bit brown, time to give it a flip. So get a spatula or an egg flipper like I've got, and give it a few seconds on the other side. Once the other side's had a few seconds, time to take it out, and then obviously onto there you're going to put treacle and lemon juice, which is my favourite, or some of your favourite stew.